How to add location on Snapchat filter. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to add a location on a filter on Snapchat. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will open up your Snapchat and you will have to take a picture. So I'm just gonna open up my camera. So here we are, and I'll show you how to add a location on a filter. So I'm just gonna select any of the filter from here and take a picture. So let's go with this one, and I'm gonna just take a picture. Now I have a filtered picture right here, and I want to add a location right here on my snap. It's really easy to do. What you have to do is go to the stickers right here, and the first panel you see right here, you can see we have GIF, mention, location, topic, poll, and story. So you just have to click on location. So then you just can select the location you want to add, and you will be able to simply add it. So I'm just going to select this one right here, and now you can see I have a location, and I can just move it wherever I want, and I can just place it here, and now we can just create a snap of our own. And make sure that you have location on in your mobile phone, because if you do not have the location on, then you will not find the option right here. So you just have to go to stickers, and then you will be able to add a location on your filter on Snapchat. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.